Crypto Kids, in this very short video, I want to go over why I added to my hedge short position on Bitcoin, what is the update from this morning, and what is the sort of global update that we're looking at. So stay tuned until the end. It will be very quick, but ultimately very, very necessary. If you enjoy this content, please make sure to do me a favor and destroy the like button. It will help push this video to as many people as possible and subscribe for daily insights. With that said, let's jump into Bitcoin's price action. At 5 a.m. my time this morning, Bitcoin saw a break below the line of support of the bearish pennant, which we were expecting to fall through. We were highlighting the similarities between the 2021 to 2022 market structure to the 2025-2026 market structure. We posted that, throughout various videos, we created an initial high, followed by a higher high, double top, bearish divergence, down into a bear flag, now into a bearish pennant. It's the same photocopy setup between two market cycles, and we broke below the support. We're getting the rejection. In the video from this morning, we said that we could get a retest to that prior line of support, and then when we turned it into resistance over on the Crypto Kids Telegram community, which you can join absolutely for free, I said that I added to my hedge short position. Retesting prior support into resistance confirms the existence and validity of a pattern. On Sunday, I said that I was reevaluating my risky holdings due to increasing geopolitical conflict. So overall, it's not a pretty picture still, but I want you to be aware of one potential occurrence that can take place. Bitcoin loves to fake traders out, so you must know this by now. But just in the event that we do something like this, please be careful. My stop loss for that short position, it's going to be somewhere in that 72 region, because ultimately that's the place you want to flip to say, you know what, we're not going to go with a bear case. We want to pump to 84K. 72 is the level you want to see a break to the upside from. But be careful of a potential sweep of liquidity. Bitcoin likes to do that. I'm still not a fan of how the S&P is looking. Geopolitical tensions are continuously escalating. Be careful, be cautious. That's all I want to say, especially when Jim Cramer says that Bitcoin is going to bounce. To me, that's Bitcoin is going to get rejected and go lower. All right. That's what I understand from that message. Before we end off the video, though, Michael Saylor today bought Bitcoin for the 100th time for his company Strategy. Incredible. He now owns 3.4% of the Bitcoin supply. And secondly, I don't know if you read this article from Citrini Research. It basically paints a dystopian picture of what the world would look like in June of 2028 if AI continues to grow exponentially and AI agents take over the workforce and they make people go into mass amounts of unemployment. It's very thought-provoking. I would go ahead and read it. I don't want to explain the article to you because obviously, they're the author behind it. So I think you should go and read it. It's the best thing to do. But I will take out a certain element that Eric Balchunas pointed out. He mentions that if we go into dramatic amounts of unemployment, the Fed would need to do dramatic amounts of quantitative easing to bail its people out. And they would have to do universal basic income and do more welfare. All of these things point towards more liquidity and obviously Bitcoin, etc., going up in the very long term. But before that, you would see a severe correction. So guys, thank you for watching. Again, that was just a very quick update. If you're looking for a place to be trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you can head to the links in the description down below to get the best bonuses available. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care, and as always, bye-bye.